Welcome to Technia TB. I am Dr. Shambhu Sharan Gupta, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. In last class, we have discussed about readership survey and IRS. We know survey, and today we will discuss about election related survey and opinion poll survey. What is opinion poll? An opinion poll is a pre-election survey to gather voters' views on a range of election related issues. An opinion poll, sometimes simply referred to as a poll, is a survey of public opinion from particular sample. Opinion polls are usually designed to represent the opinions of population by conducting a series of questions and then extrapolating generalization in ratio or within regular intervals. Opinion polls history of India. The popular media survey started in 1980 when media baron Pranay Rai conducted opinion polls during election to find out the mood of Indian voters. The proliferation of electronic media in the 1990 made the election survey and exit polls popular in India, and it started capturing the imagination of the people. Pre-election survey and exit polls have become a regular feature in the last 1.5 decades. Opinion polls are conducted by various organizations to access the electoral environment. Before the polls are conducted, it is truly said that media has the power to set an agenda both for the policy makers and public. These polls are conducted to extract public opinion to check which political party has received more support from the public. There are certain guidelines to monitor the publication and broadcast of these polls. These guidelines are important as many times the opinion polls may be biased. At the very beginning, most of the poll results were published only in news magazines like India Today, Outlook and Frontline. Slowly and gradually, the leading newspapers groups also started showing interest in publishing results of election surveys. The demand from the print media further increased the number of opinion polls being conducted in the country. What added to this growing demand of survey was the advent of various television channels, with a large number of news channels competing against each other. The race for conducting election survey and airing them as quickly as possible after election dates are announced has become the norm of the day in India. Next, we will discuss about analyzing opinion polls. In analysis of public opinion polls, the following questions need to be asked to assess their real worth. Who sponsored the survey? What were the motives for the sponsorship? How exactly were the questions formed? Could a different phrasing or ordering of questions give another set of findings? What percentage of population was sampled? What was the basis of the sampling? What was the size of sample? How many responded to the survey? What is the margin of error allowed for? Are any of the findings based only on part of the total sample? Do all the generalization of the total population follow from the data gathered and processed? How was interview conducted? By phone, by mail, face to face, at home or in the office? What was the timing of the interview in relation to other social, economic or political events? I hope you understand this entire topic. For more videos, likes and subscribe to Technia TV. Thank you.